Hello and welcome to iNurture videos. In this video, we will discuss about IPV4 access control list. At the end of this video, you will be able to define IP access list. Describe the usage of ACL. An IP access list is a list of conditions that are used to categorize packets. They are really helpful in managing the network traffic. An access control list ACL lists all the permissions attached to an object in the network. And ACL specifies which users or system processes are granted access to objects as well as what operations are allowed on given objects. Each entry in a typical ACL specifies a subject and an operation. One of the most common images of access lists is to filter unwanted packets, especially when implementing security policies. The access lists are particularly handy when one is trying to only allow certain hosts to access web resources on the internet and restrict others. Network engineers with the right access list can enforce nearly any security policy. An access list applied to a router specifies the rules for traffic going through a router. However, the data packet originating from a router is not affected by that router's access list. Access lists can also be used to control which networks will or won't be advertised by dynamic routing protocols. Here, the access list needs to be applied to a routing product instead of an interface. And when an access list is used in this form, it is termed as a distribution list. As a distribute list, access list can be configured to permit or deny any incoming or outgoing data packets on an interface. Here, a graphical representation of the use of ACLs to control network traffic. The ACLs provide the set of rules that help in controlling the data packets that enter the inbound interfaces, packets that are relayed through the router, and the data packets that exit the outbound interfaces. However, the ACLs do not regulate the movement of the data packets that have originated from the router. Let us have a recap of what we have learned so far. An IP access list is a list of conditions that are used to categorize packets. They are really helpful in managing the network traffic. An access control list ACL lists all the permissions attached to an object in the network. One of the most common usages of access lists is to filter unwanted packets, especially when implementing security policies. Thank you for watching this video.